So what's up guys, Gadgetals back here, and today we'll be doing a quick guide of a gaming PC you can build right now for around 50,000 rupees. This PC will provide you smooth 60 FPS at 1080 at high settings. All the links to all the products will be down there. So before getting started, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get started. The first component is the MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Ti 4GB overclocked version. So it will cost us around 15,400 rupees. So now here are some quick gaming benchmarks. So next we have the Intel Core i5-8400 processor. So it is of 2.80 GHz and can be maxed up to 4 GHz. This will cost us around 15,800 rupees. Here are some processor benchmarks. We'll be going for the Gigabyte motherboard which is compatible with our 8th gen processor. This will cost us around 5,700 rupees. The RAM we'll be using is the Corsair 8GB DDR4 RAM. So this will cost us around 6,600 rupees. Next we'll be using the WD 500GB HDD for desktop. This will cost us around 1,700 rupees. So the cabinet we'll be using for this build is the Corsair Carbide series cabinet. So this is a gaming centered cabinet, but you can always choose the cabinet to your preference. Next we'll be using the Corsair 550 watt power supply. This will cost us around 3,500 rupees. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Also share this video to your gamer friends. Peace out.